Hello friends, Jai Jagannath. Welcome to JobSworld channel. I wish you are all safe at home. If you are new to this channel, then click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for daily current affairs and job alert. So let's start the current affairs of 27 May 2020. Question number 1. A high-level committee of experts has been formed by the government to recommend reforms in the Indian drugs regulatory system. Who will head this committee? So this committee will be headed by Rajesh Bhushan. Question number 2. Name the Indian economist who has been appointed by the World Bank to a key position on climate change and disaster management in South Asia. So his name is Abhas Jha. Some GK related to World Banks. World Bank was started on 1944. Washington DC is its headquarters and president is David Malpass. Question number 3. Mohit Baghel, who passed away recently at the age of 26, was an actor and he was acted as a child in Reddy movie. Question number 4. Which institution has developed a cup-shaped design of the mask that helps to create enough space in the front of the mouth while speaking? So it is developed by CENS Bangalore. CENS stands for Center for Nano and Soft Matter Sciences. Question number 5. Which state has imposed a 50% special COVID fee on the maximum retail price of liquor while allowing home delivery of alcohol? So it is implemented by Odisha. Odisha capital is Bhubaneswar. Its CM is Naveen Patnaik and governor is Ganeshi Lal. Question number 6. Hunar Haat is the flagship initiative of which ministry? So Hunar Haat is a flagship initiative of Ministry of Minority Affairs. So who is the minister? His name is Mukhtar Abbas. So in the month of September, it is going to held in New Delhi with the theme of local to global. Question number 7. After the well-known herb ashwagandha, now which tea has been marked as potential coronavirus blocker? So as you know, ashwagandha is going to a coronavirus blocker and it does keep on in the research field of IIT Delhi. So now Kangara tea has been marked as the potential of coronavirus blocker. Question number 8. Which state has inaugurated Shram Siddhi Abhiyan to provide jobs to the labor? So it is started by Madhya Pradesh government. So under this, the labor of rural areas who don't have jobs cards will be provided work under Manrega. And recently, Madhya Pradesh government have launched the Charan Paduka scheme. Under this scheme, the migrants who are crossing Madhya Pradesh in the barefoot are provided with chappals and shoes. So some GK related to Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal. Shivraj Singh Chauhan is its chief minister and governor is Lalaji Tandon. Question number 9. The Competition Commission of India has approved the 100% acquisition of which cement company by Nuvoco Vistas Corporation Limited? So Nuvoco Vistas Corporation Limited is a part of Nirma Group and it is going to acquire Imami Cement. And who give the approval? It's approved by Competition Commission of India, which was started on 14th October 2003. Its headquarters present in New Delhi and Ashok Gupta is its chairman. Question number 10. Which company has been given permission to drill hydrocarbons in Dibru Sikhowa National Park area in Assam? So the permission given to Indian Oil. So Indian Oil headquarters present in Dulijajan, Assam. Its chairman and MD is Mr. Sushil Chandra Mishra and it was started on 1959. Question number 11. R. Sanumugam, who passed away recently, was associated with which sport? So he was associated with football and he was the former coach of Tamil Nadu football team. Question number 12. Tsai Ing-wen, who became president of Taiwan in news recently. So some GK related to Taiwan. Taiwan capital is Taipei and its currency is New Taiwan dollar. Question number 13. World Bank has announced emergency operation worth $160 billion in how many developing countries to fight deadly virus? So it is 100 developing countries. Question number 14. Which IIT institution has developed the parabolic trough collector? So what is a parabolic trough collector? The parabolic trough collector is a lightweight and low cost system with high energy efficiency and can operate under the country's varied climate condition, and it is mainly used in solar. So it is developed by IIT Madras. Question 15. Which company has backed a cloud project with the US Department of Defense? So it is backed by Google. Google headquarters present in California, and its CEO, as you know, Sundar Pichai. Last question of the day. Aris Adruis, who announced his retirement, is associated with which sport? So he was a football player of Spain. So these are the current affairs of today, and I will attach this PDF in the description. You can go and download it from there. So thanks for your time, and if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.